Hello students, we are going to discuss about absorption. This is one of the pollution control equipment. Absorption, it is a mass transfer unit operation. It is gas liquid operation. What is absorption? Removal of one or more selected component from a gas mixture by absorption is probably the most important unit operation in the control of gaseous pollutant emission. Absorption is a process in which a gaseous pollutant is dissolved in a liquid. So most of the operation water used as a absorbent. Why? Because for economical reason, so this component preferred as a absorbent liquid. Are you clear? Okay. So here the figure shows that packed column diagram. So for this diagram, the gas stream passes through the liquid. The liquid absorbs the gases in much the same way that sugar is absorbed in a glass of water when stirred. So as per the definition, gaseous component separated from gaseous mixture with the help of liquid absorbent. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here gas in, liquid in opposite direction. So this is the counterflow direction. So as per the definition, with the help of the liquid absorbent, the gaseous components are separated or absorbed. Are you clear? Okay. So the separated or absorbed by absorption process. So the liquid out and gas component out. Absorber is called scrubber. Various type of absorption equipments are there. What are the types of absorption equipment? Spray tower, packed column, spray chamber, venturi scrubber, etc. So advantages of absorber, removal efficiency is greater than 95%. So what are the components are absorbed or removed? With the help of the absorbent, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur trioxide, fluoride and oxide of nitrogen. These are the components are removed or absorbed by various absorbents. One potential problem with the absorption is the generation of wastewater. Why? Because so for economical reason, water used as a solvent or absorbent. With the help of water, the gaseous components are separated from gaseous mixture. So this is the disadvantages of absorber. This is convert air pollution to water pollution problem. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the potential problem in absorption column. Generation of wastewater. What are the gaseous pollutants? Sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen fluoride, NOx. So here what are the common absorbents used in solution form? For gaseous pollutant sulfur dioxide, dimethyl aniline, ammonium sulfite, ammonium sulfate, sodium sulfide, calcium sulfite, alkaline water. So these are the components are called as a absorbent or solvent in liquid form. So whereas gaseous pollutant hydrogen sulfide, what are the common absorbent? Sodium hydroxide and phenol mix 3:2, tripotassium phosphate, sodium alamine, sodium thioarsenate, soda ash. So these are the absorbent used in solution form. Why? Because liquid is acting as a absorbent or solvent. So the hydrogen fluoride, water and sodium hydroxide in liquid form, NOx, water, aqueous, nitric acid. Are you clear? Okay, these are the gaseous pollutant. Then common absorbent used in solution form. This is packed column. Various type of absorption equipments are spray column, spray chamber, venturi scrubber and packed column. This is one of the type of absorption equipment. This figure shows that packed column. What is the working principle of packed column here? The exhaust stream being treated enter the bottom of the tower, that is contaminated gas, and flow upward over the packing material. So what are the type of packing? Two type of packings are there. One is random packing, another one structural packing. Examples of packing material: rasp ring, Paul rings, ceramic material, glass beads, etc. The liquid is introduced at the top of the packing by spray or vias, and it flows downward over the packing material. Are you clear or not? Okay, scrubbing liquid inlet. So the exhaust stream moves up through the packing. It is forced to make many winding changes in direction. What is the result? Intimate mixing of both the exhaust gas and liquid stream. As per the definition of absorption column, so here what is the purpose of the packed column? The removal of gaseous component from gaseous mixture with the help of liquid solvent. So for here the liquid distributor purpose, that is a uniform distribution. What is the purpose of mist eliminator here? Mist eliminator, also called entrainment separator, remove any liquid droplet that may have become entrained in the flue gases or stock gases. Treated scrubbing liquid is collected in liquid reservoir. After that, this is sent out. This scrubbing liquid is recycled back to the saturator and the packed bed absorber. Fans and ductwork move the flue gas stream through the system and eventually out the stack. So already I said one potential problem in absorption column: generation of water. Why? Because with the help of the liquid solvent, the gaseous component separated from gaseous mixture. For that reason, this is the generation of more amount of water. So this is converted from air pollution to water pollution. This is a limitation of absorption column. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is a working principle of packed column. So from that column, after the operations are carried out, the clean gases comes out. Are you clear? Okay. What are the advantages of absorption column? Initial cost is low. This is moderately high collection efficiency for small particle. Already I said nearly greater than 95%. This is efficiency is better. This is applicable for high temperature. They can simultaneously remove particulate and gases. There is no particle re-entrainment. Okay, these are the advantages of this absorption column. Disadvantages of absorption column: high power consumption for higher efficiency, moderate to high maintenance cost. Initial cost is low, that is the advantage. Disadvantages of this column: maintenance cost is high, so the moderate to high. So because of corrosion and abrasion, wet disposal of the collected material. Already I said the one potential problem in absorption column: generation of more water. This is converted from air pollution to water pollution problem. Okay, this is the major disadvantages in absorption column. What are the applications of absorption column? Already I said absorption, also called scrubber. The first application, they are particularly useful in the case of hot gas that must be cooled for some reason. Okay, so the second application: particulate matter is combustible, or if any flammable gas is present even in trace amount, so small amount, in the bulk gas phase, the scrubber is preferred to an electrostatic precipitator. Okay, these are the applications of absorption column. Other application: scrubber can be used. There are wastewater treatment system available on the site with adequate reserve capacity to handle the liquid effluent. So the scrubber also used when gas reaction and absorption are required simultaneously with particulate control. This is one of the control pollution equipment. So the removal of gaseous component or particulate component with the help of the liquid solvent. Are clear? Okay. So this is one of the best air pollution control equipment. Why? Because the removal efficiency is nearly greater than 95%. Thank you for your attention.